So what is Shopse? Shopse was a company which was just giving debit card EMIs in the past. Correct? We were tied up with four banks: HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, and Axis Bank, and we were just giving debit card EMI. But how many people are approved for debit card EMI is very less in India. There are only about 20% ke log. So, guys, now as I was discussing with you, ShopSe was only a part of debit card EMI. Now, from today we will also give you an EMI like Five, Finsol, and Axio. From today, how do we go about that process? I'll just share my screen and explain it to you guys. I'm sure my screen is visible to you. So once I go to Star Portal, once I click this and I'll enter the address, and when I click on buy, you will be able to go to the Star Payment Portal. So here you will have UPI cards, card EMI, net banking. The last option you should select, which is the cardless EMI. Once you select on cardless EMI, first option will be Shopse. You have to click on proceed to pay. एक बार प्रोसीड टू पे होने के बाद अगर कस्टमर के पास प्री अप्रूव्ड डेबिट कार्ड है, इफ ही हैज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ प्री अप्रूव्ड डेबिट कार्ड, that will show in the top part. Digital finance will show in the last part of the column. But if the customer is not having debit card approval, then the first option will be digital finance. And this is the loan partner like Five, Finsol, and Axio. Once I click on digital finance, I will get an OTP on my mobile. Once I enter the OTP, it will redirect me to this page. Guys, everybody's attention. First page, what do you have to do? Cardless EMI, Shopse, digital finance. And once I go to digital finance, I will open these two pages. Very, very important. These two pages will come up. Either you can fill or the customer can fill. Please ensure that the first page is filled exactly by the details of Aadhaar card. First name, middle name, last name, date of birth, mobile number linked with Aadhaar. Exactly should be as per Aadhaar card. Second page will come this educational qualifications and monthly income. Education qualification, graduate, whatever it is. Monthly income should be mentioned as 30,000 rupees and above. So the details should be exactly as per the Aadhaar card. Here, income, even if the my screen is visible, right? Even if the customer is earning 15,000, 20,000 rupees, put the income as 30,000 rupees and above only. Every customer should be put as 30,000 rupees. Agar 40, 50, 16, whatever is there, put that, complete this. Once this page is completed, ये page होने के बाद, his CIBIL score will get fetched. Agar CIBIL is good, it will directly get approved and it will come to this page. Congrats, you are eligible. Agar CIBIL is not approved, two cases are there. One, it will either get rejected, or if his CIBIL is not very bad, okay, then what will happen is he will fetch his account through account aggregator. That we will only do it. You do not have to do anything. Just you have to click on apply here. His CIBIL score is approved, it will come to this page. His CIBIL score is very bad, it will get rejected. If it is okay, between 600 to 700, they will be able to carry college. 600 to 700 customers, we will take an OTP from the account aggregator. We will only fetch the 3 months bank statements. Once that is fetched, it will go to either he'll be approved or no. Now, I'll select 12 months for an example, proceed to pay, and I agree to the terms and conditions. Guys, this is very, very important. I want everybody's attention here. Now, it is the most important step, that is the KYC page. Once this page comes in, KYC comes in, this selfie should be taken by the customer who's doing the loan only. So customer's face only, and on his mobile, he should take a live photo. Even if customer is sending his photo on WhatsApp, and if that photo is being uploaded, that is also getting rejected. So this page should be done by customer only. Only customer can do this. He should click a selfie. Once selfie is done, guys, very, very important. Please write it down. because you will have some questions coming through. Now, once selfie is completed, he will get this page. Selfie is completed, then he will get the KYC page. Either in KYC page, customer has to enter the Aadhaar number, CAPTCHA, whatever CAPTCHA is there. Next, he will get a OTP. Now, once he has entered that OTP, it will go to DigiLocker. He should click on either, if he remembers DigiLocker pin, he can enter DigiLocker pin. But 90% of people in India don't have a DigiLocker. That is why we have given you one simple step. You can just put as forgot pin. Again, OTP will come. He will enter the OTP and this process will be completed. Now, again, I'm repeating you. Once this is done, you will select the tenure here. First step is the selfie, should be put by the customer only. Second step is the KYC. He will enter Aadhaar number. He will enter CAPTCHA. He will enter OTP. Next, it will take to a DigiLocker page. Forgot my MPIN in DigiLocker. Again, one more OTP. Process of KYC will be completed. Then the last part will open up. Once this is completed, e-mandate should be done. People in this forum, please try to complete e-mandate by debit card or net banking. Last option should be UPI. First, try to complete it by debit card. Second, try to complete it by net banking. अगर customer के पास debit card भी नहीं है, net banking भी नहीं है, then complete with the third option, which is UPI. Once you complete this, then it will go to the payment portal. Everything is done. Now the last step, payment portal will come in. So the advantage, if somebody asks you what is the advantage of digital finance, guys, please understand, we are giving a loan with just 10% down payment. Other people, 5, Finsol and Axio are charging 25 to 30%. What is the advantage if you ask me with digital finance? It is just 10% down payment customer will pay. Remaining will be loan, plus on the loan amount is there, 2% will be the processing fee. And once he pays that, next he will come to this thank you and the loan will be perfect. So if you can just see here, what are the advantages? Process, entire process 5 minutes के अंदर हो जाता है, takes less than 5 minutes. No bank statement is required. Loan amount can be from 9,000 to 80,000 rupees. Please make a note of it somewhere. I will also tell you what are the tenures we can give it to them. Loan payment can be from 9,000 to 80,000. Maximum tenure 12 months. That with 10% down payment only. Guys, this agents have to come to know. Around 25% of cases in Kerala are getting dropped just because the down payment is 30%. And this, I have spoken to Star Health that we will be getting this number to less than 10%, which is getting not payable. So for that, you will have to tell the agents this is the best process because 10% down payment is what we are giving from. And apart from that, it's all completed. This is the last step. 6 month rate of interest will be around 20%. You can tell everyone 12 months if he's selecting reducing rate of interest. So it will effectively be 10.5 to 11.5. 9 months will be 8 to 9. 6 months will be 5.53 to 6.53, depending upon his CIBIL score. If his CIBIL score is bad, some people will pay 25%, some people will pay 30% also. Now, last part when it comes to loan amount, see here guys, very, very important again. 9,000 to 30,000 rupees can have 6, 9, 12 months tenure. If the loan amount is 9,000 to 30,000, customer can either select 6 months, 9 months or 12 months. If the loan amount is 30 to 50,000, customer can only select either 9 months or 12 months. If the loan amount is above 50,000 to 80,000, customer can only select 12 months. If the loan amount is between 9,000 to 30,000, customer has option to select 6, 9, 12. If the loan amount is between 30 to 50,000, two options, 9 and 12. If the loan payment is above 50,000, it is 12 months tenure that we'll be giving him for. Basic details, first page which I explained should do as per the Aadhaar. Income should be entered as 30,000 and above. Guys, these are the small things. By chance, if you don't put this, it will get rejected. So please be very careful. And once it gets rejected, हम लोग process वापस नहीं कर सकते हैं. That process is coming out now. Again, you will have to start with 5 Finsol and Axio. So please ensure that you are entering the correct details so that it is going through. The best advantage for you guys, if customer is defaulting his EMI, policy is not getting cancelled. अगर कस्टमर ईएमआई डिफॉल्ट कर देते हैं तो डीएमआई टीम ने फॉलो अप करते हैं एंड डीएमआई विल टेक द मनी फ्रॉम द कस्टमर. वी आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड. वंस पॉलिसी इज डिस्बर्स्ड, then it is between the DMI and the customer, and we as a team will not be involved in it. And KYC should be exactly selfie put by the customer only. We have 6 cases in Karnataka rejected just because they put their own selfie. E-mandate, this option will be.
What is DMI?
The digital finance.
Digital finance. So CX?
Customer.
Customer. Okay.
So if he is defaulting the EMI, it's between the DMI and the customer directly. We will not be involving between them. Guys, it's the most simplest process. It's the most simplest process. So with 10% down payment coming in, it will be easy for agents to close as many as possible on spot. Number one. And also, I would like to tell you, be very careful during e-mandate and KYC. These 2 steps are taken care. We are yesterday record, we clocked about 220 policies just in one day. So that has come just because whatever people did not pay because of down payment, yesterday they paid, and 10% we made it and we have gotten it. So again, I'm repeating you, what is the first step? Go to cardless EMI. Second step, come to Shopse, proceed to pay. You will see 2 options, if he is approved for debit card EMI or digital finance. Digital finance can be given for everyone. Everyone, click on digital finance. OTP will come to the customer. Enter that OTP. A new page will open. Fill it as per Aadhaar card. Income put as 30,000 rupees and above. Proceed. If he is approved, you will get a screen where it will show 3, 9, 6, 12 months EMI and proceed to pay. Then KYC, selfie to be taken by the customer. Then he has to put in his Aadhaar number, CAPTCHA, OTP, DigiLocker, forgot PIN, OTP. KYC will be completed. Last step will be e-mandate through debit card, trade through debit card, net banking. Last step should be UPI, then success. What are the advantages? 10% down payment. Second point is the minimum documentation. No bank statement will be required. Only thing is, please ensure that the details are filled correctly. Because once it gets rejected, there is no option of doing the process again.
Okay.